Alright, go nuts, kids.
I can't open this.
Well, find an edge and rip it open.
Mommy, it's the peace sign one.
Oh. Rip it open.
I'm not even caring about the paper. I'm just ripping. Daddy, look it.
Oh, cool.
This is for my new bed.
Cool.
Cause the other,
What? Careful.
cause the other one that Bryce said. I mean,
What is
the other.
that, Bryce?
Oh, let me see. Oh, it's some like kind of dirt thing. Mommy, that's what I wanted from Santa. And it has peace on the pillow. Mom,
Cool.
is for has a soot mop and a dirt floor.
Oh, let's look at it.
Yeah, I want to see what that thing is.
Oh, look. It's got a train and a truck track and a big crane.
That is cool.
Does that look cool?
Yeah, we could put that on his toy box, his new one. That would be cool.
Please get your stockings.
Yeah.
Hang on. Let me unhook those for you.
Yeah, because I didn't know.
Bryce, want to come open your stocking?
It's
See what's in there. Hey, take it. Take the whole thing, Bubba.
Mommy, look this. Look how much lipstick I got, Mom.
Hey, where are you going?
Look at my lipstick. Watching my stuff.
Where are you going?
Nowhere.
Mom! Look it!
Whoa, cool.
Are these just like the ones that we were doing for them, Jessie?
Kinda.
But I won't put the candy in. Mommy? These are just the same as yours.
Cool.
From Mommy. I want to get the candy.
Well, keep opening stuff. We can have some candy in a little while, okay?
Mommy. I want flowers.
We'll see what else is in there.
Mommy, look what the flower. I got some flowers for my hair. Whoa.
Keep seeing what's in yours, Bubba.
New color pants? I'm feeling something in here. A new Mommy is the one that Charlie chewed up and we left out there.
Yeah.
Oh. I do not know what this is. Michael!
Yeah.
The green one.
Oh, who's on it?
What's like than Jessie?
Yeah.
Mommy. This is Telegram.
Oh, and who's on there?
Mommy, it's a baby. It's a,
Who's that?
I think that's a baby.
Yeah.
Mommy, I think that's a baby.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Simba,
And who's that?
Mommy, bracelets and these.
come on.
Look
Yes.
at it.
Yeah.
I want to turn on it.
Well, hang on. Keep seeing. What else you got?
Let me feel what else. I got one more. A bunny rabbit.
Look, a little car. That's cool.
I got one too.
Keep going, Bella.
Mommy, look it. I got a baby. Well, not a baby, but a new one. No more.
Ooh, fleece socks.
Daddy.
I got this.
I'm gonna keep on.
Cool.
I'm gonna open my presents now. I'm gonna put my stocking back up so I don't ruin it.
Yeah.
I don't want it to get smashed on.
Did you get everything out of it? Because last year there was still stuff in it.
Yeah, I got everything out.
Holy socks.
Daddy,
Are you being a smart ass here, dear?
He's just wanting to give you a bunch of socks since you like them a lot.
Keep going, Bubba.
I'm gonna open more presents here, Mom. I don't know if I want to find
Oh,
out.
hang on, Bryce. Finish seeing what's in your stocking.
Mommy, can I open
Hang on a minute. Wait for your brother.
that?
That's always.
No, there's more stuff. Keep pulling it out.
There's one just for you, Mommy, and Daddy. So it says Evan and Jess. So I think you and him should open that one.
I'll get there. Hang on, John.
I got this.
Cool. Nice warm gloves.
Those are a bunch. Bryce, don't try them on. Just keep on moving. Mommy, a ring.
Yeah.
Is that one to replace the one that got ruined?
No, it's just pretty.
But I want to open.
Well, finish your stocking, then you can start opening presents.
Come on, just dump it all out. Dump it. Don't even try looking at it. Pick it up and dump it, Bryce. Okay. Dump it all out. Whoa. Husky dog, 2 lions.
He's a husky territory.
2 air. And a husky.
It's a wolf, not a husky.
Okay, let's open more presents.
Pay attention to what you're opening so you know whose it's for and
Mommy, that one's for you and my daddy.
where it came from.
We'll open some more presents.
You can open some of these out here. Here, Bryce. This little long one is for you. This one's for you, Mom and Dad. Camp Clark's. Evan, take out my dad.
Wait, I'm opening one.
Ooh, Mommy, I gotta go back. I want to open that.
It's all those magic bullet things. That's cool.
Yeah, it will probably be easier to extract. Come on. Mommy, I got a little box. I don't know what's in it. I want to open
Did you
it.
get
Pants.
Pants.
Oh,
What'd you get, Bubba? Oh.
I'm trying to still open mine, but I can't get the tape off. Let's see what this bag is for. Jelly again?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mommy, could you again what's in my...
Evan, can you let the dogs out?
Mommy, I got a little stuffed bear. Not a bear, a little cute thing. But the little eyes are weird, breaking me out. Scaring me out.
I want this open.
Mommy.
Mickey didn't break those, so we opened that.
I want this
I'm gonna put those back in the box and keep them.
When you're done, you got more presents to open.
Yeah. There's what? Much more. I'll get you one, Bryce. We're gonna open all of these. Evan again? My dad? Seriously?
This one's for you.
Is that one for Bryce?
Here, let me open the tape and then you can open this one.
Mommy, this one's from you. For you.
Here you go, Bubba.
One's from you. For you. Whoa. 2012 calendar.
Cool.
I think it's for
one's from Grandma Donna.
A little calendar. Probably from
I can't get on right.
Daddy, go open your doors for presents on the couch.
I don't get any presents.
There's another one for you. Hey, a butterfly thing, and then another little thing. Yeah. Open this present. Is this one for me, Mom?
No, that has my name on it.
Wait. Okay, I'm gonna keep on this one. Hey, Evan, my dad.
Like what?
Whoa, that one's cool, huh?
It's a green airplane.
Yeah.
Oh, Bryce, look it.
I
There's one.
took it out.
There's one for you, Bryce. It says Bryce.
That's from Grandma Sherry.
Okay.
Right, the presents I put up on the couch are for people that other than us, Jilly.
Come on. Bryce got new underwear?
Jilly, why don't you go around over to that side? Over there. Start finding some presents.
Okay.
Cool. You put your finger in there and go.
Oh, I'm knowing what this
Alright,
is.
Jilly.
Oh, a peace sign thing. Peace sign thing.
Oh,
That's pretty.
yeah, here.
Thanks,
Just
Mom.
sit down.
Look.
Cool. It's a truck with a crane. What's
Another.
in this one?
Daddy, there's one right there for you. You open it. Mostly
Yeah,
Daddy.
there's
Oh my God. Mommy, look it.
See on the table, baby.
on the table. Yeah.
Mom.
Ooh. Pretty, huh?
Yeah, she is. I'm gonna open another present. Let's see.
What?
Oh,
Nice.
Mom, can I open that?
Hey, big truck.
Can I open that big circle one? I'm gonna open that.
I want to open
Wait.
another present.
It's
This
from
one's for you.
Mom and Dad. From Julie.
Pull it out of there.
Is that
No,
yours?
this one.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
It said Jilly on it.
Oh, that's a big one, Bryce.
Whoa, Mommy. This is just like his grandpa. Mommy, this is just like at Grandpa's house.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that, Bryce?
It's one of those, like, things that you can turn on the air and it, like, makes them glow.
These
Mine is a
are
purple and
the
pink.
colors.
The colors.
They
I'm
turn
gonna set
like
that one
blue,
down. Here.
yellow, blue, red, green.
Is that new case for his bed?
No.
What is it? Look.
Whoa, it's a block sheet.
Oh, it's big blocks, Bryce.
Okay.
Mommy.
I want to open
There.
some
Well,
notes.
you're gonna have to wait until we get some more stuff out of the way.
Here's one for you, Mom.
Yep.
I want to open some more presents.
Jilly, just get under the tree and start pulling presents out. You just keep, like, standing there.